Keep 3 things in mind to pick the right retractable tonneau cover. First, it should be a compatible model. Secondly, it should be easy to install. Third, it should be durable. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the best tonneau covers for your truck today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. Extang Solid Fold 2.0, the best hard folding tonneau cover. It's $950 at Amazon.com. The Solid Fold 2.0 features a black matte finish and textured powder-coated aluminum frames and hinges, for extra wear resistance and protection. The Solid Fold 2.0 features Extang's exclusive Endura Shield panels, that resist denting and will not fade. The 1-inch panels are incredibly strong, while remaining light and easy to fold. They remain cool to the touch even on hot summer days. When the cover is closed and the tailgate locked, your cargo is secure. Its perimeter and fin seals keep the elements out. To open the cover, simply drop the tailgate and release the rear clamps and fold the cover forward. When properly secured, the Solid Fold 2.0 can be driven in the fully open position, allowing you to carry large loads. To close the cover, just unbuckle the straps, fold the cover back, then secure the cover using the patented Easy Lock clamps. Just pull the low resistance clamp down, swing it under the bed rails, and release it. It automatically locks the rear section in place. Should the need arise, the whole cover can be removed in seconds without the need for tools or complex release mechanisms. Just release the T-handles on the jaw grip front clamps, then lift it off. It can be reinstalled just as quickly. The jaw grip front clamp attaches securely to the truck bed without distorting the bed rail flange, and does not require trimming of the bed rail caps. The Solid Fold 2.0 meets and passes the strictest ohm tests developed to evaluate water management, thermal cycles, load capacity, and fading. The versatile Solid Fold 2.0 can be combined with a toolbox, used with a fifth wheel trailer, or fitted with a headache rack. Number 4. Gator Recoil, the best retractable truck bed tonneau cover. It's available for about $950. An incredible value in the category of retractable tonneau covers, the Gator Recoil brings with it a slew of great features. The cover employs an aluminum top and elastomeric hinges that withstand the elements and work together to keep your cargo dry and secure. When you need to access your bed, just pull the quick release handle and use the tether to control the cover's movement. Open the tailgate, then on the driver's side you have a pull strap. Pull that down, that disengages the latches if you can push the cover forward. If you push it forwards, it's going to stop at your first set of latch stops. This cover glides on 4 side thruster ball bearings, to keep the cover from binding when it's operated. Also, there's no spring on the cover, so you'll not to worry about anything losing spring tension or failing in the future. Pull the cord again, you go to another latch stop. These latch tops are all fully adjustable, so suppose you have something you're going to haul with you like a grill, or a bicycle, you can set these latch tops to be exactly where they need to be for that particular cargo. You have a total of 3 latch tops before we get all the way up to the front of the cover. If you don't want to stop at any latching positions, just keep the cord pulled down as you pull the cover back and forth. No cover is 100% waterproof, but this is an excellent job of sheltering your cargo from the elements. This is going to use sealed ball bearings and you never have to lubricate your rail. Also, because of the design of the cover, you never have to clean out the canister. This cover is made in the United States, and the Gator Recoil retractable truck bed cover is backed by a 2-year guarantee. The Recoil's low-profile design ensures that it won't have a bulky appearance once installed on your truck. Number 3. BAKFlip MX4, the best 4 panels hard folding tonneau cover. You can get it for around $970. While 3 panels are by far the most common, the BAKFlip MX4 features 4 panels and a boatload of other cool features. This brings an unmistakable style to this truck bed cover and allows the cover to quickly open completely for 100% bed access. Plus, thanks to a universal seal, you can close this setup tailgate first, or tonneau first for versatile ease of use. Quite frankly, it just looks better than most tonneau covers on the market. Rather than looking like an aftermarket afterthought, the BAKFlip MX4 offers a sleek appearance that looks incredibly well integrated into the bed of the truck. And the matte finish means fingerprints and scratches don't show up as they do on some other tonneau covers. Beyond looking good, the BAKFlip MX4 is loaded with thoughtful features like cab corner caps, rail end caps, pull latches on both sides, pre-molded bumpers, drain tubes, and full perimeter seals. As well, an integrated buckle system and automatic latching mechanism mean you can drive with the cover partially or fully open without covering the third brake light. You can also have 100% bed access by simply unlocking the cover from either side of your truck bed via pull latches that allow you to fold the cover against the cab and prop it up with a pair of rods on the underside of the panel. Should you run out of space under the BAKFlip MX4 tonneau cover, you can also carry up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight on top of it. The BAKFlip MX4 is offered in a wide variety of sizes to fit pretty much any truck on the market. It's a snap to find the cover you need for your specific truck, and each one is backed by a 5-year, hassle-free warranty. Number 2. TruXedo TruXport, the best soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover. It is available at a reasonable price of about $330. When you need the utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, TruXport by TruXedo has you covered. This affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The TruXport is there when you need it, and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it is rolled up and stored at the front. Its UV-resistant leather grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seal keeps the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install trucks in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. An industrial hooking wrist system feels the size of the cover down. When used for the locking tailgate, TruXport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure it with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. It is made in the USA, and it's backed by a 5-year no-hassle warranty. Number 1. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The price of this product is fair enough, $270, and most customers will consider it cost-effective. The product is an all-weather staff that can withstand the sun, the wind, and the rain. This particular back cover has many advantages that are brought about by the extra secure lock. This ensures that even when you are away from your vehicle, you have confidence in it that it is inaccessible without the owner's consent. The Tyger T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau cover is the perfect solution to cover your truck bed with style, and only takes a few minutes to install, and fits different truck beds very well with minimal overhang. The installation process uses clamps that require no drilling into your vehicle. To access the truck bed, open the tailgate and pull the 2 clamp handles up to release the rear clamps. Fold the cover over once, and then secure the rear clamps to the side, with the job portion facing down. When the vehicle is in motion, safety straps must be buckled if the cover is folded to the cap, or if the cover is closed. All 6 clamps must be securely attached to the truck. This tonneau cover is made of very sturdy dual-coated marine-grade vinyl. The low-profile design won't interfere with visibility and makes a weather-tight seal that will protect your bed's contents from the elements outside. Each package will come with a pre-assembled tonneau cover, an LED bed light, weather seals, and the hardware needed for mounting the cover to your truck.